Hello job seekers, are you ready to take this course of writing your resume? Every day, one tip will be given to you to write your resume and followed by the tips to prepare for your interview. The first step is today. Keep your resume very concise. See that your resume doesn't exceed more than 2 pages. The recruiter doesn't have time to look at all the details and skim through them. See that the prime information like the contact details, education details and the skills are given very clearly. Your skills must be mentioned separately in the resume. If you want more tips like this, please do follow us on Instagram, and if you write the number of pages of your resume in the chat box, we are going to send you a downloadable link of ebook which I have written. How to write your resume to get that interview call. This book would definitely be very helpful for all those teachers who want to write their resume in a very precise way.